Hey food lovers, welcome back to another episode of Star Flavor King, where we bring you the most delicious and mouth-watering recipes to make your kitchen the heart of your home. Today, I've got a recipe that's gonna make your taste buds do a happy dance. We're diving into the world of savory and sweet with a dish that's perfect for any occasion. We're making herb-roasted pork loin, and trust me, this is one dish you don't want to miss. It's packed with flavors that will leave you and your guests craving for more. So let's dive in. First things first, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, or 165 degrees Celsius for my metric friends. Now let's talk spices. In a small bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of rubbed sage, half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, and 1 crushed garlic clove. These simple yet aromatic spices will infuse our pork loin with a depth of flavor that's simply irresistible. The salt will help to enhance all the natural flavors of the pork, while the sage adds a touch of earthiness. The pepper gives it a subtle kick, and the garlic, well, who doesn't love garlic? It adds that perfect hint of pungency. Give it a good mix, and then rub it all over your 5-pound boneless pork loin. Make sure you get it nice and coated. This step is crucial because we want every bite of that pork to be bursting with flavor. Place that beauty in an uncovered roasting pan. Pop it in the oven on the center rack. You're gonna bake it until an instant red thermometer reads at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit, which should take about 3 hours, depending on how you like your pork. While that's cooking, we've got time to make a killer glaze. This glaze is what takes our pork loin from delicious to absolutely divine. Grab a small saucepan and combine half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, a quarter cup of vinegar, a quarter cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. The sugar will caramelize and give our glaze that beautiful, glossy finish. The vinegar adds a tangy kick that balances out the sweetness perfectly. The water helps to thin out the glaze just enough so it coats the pork loin evenly. And the soy sauce brings in that umami depth, making the glaze rich and savory. Put this on medium heat and cook, stirring occasionally until it starts to bubble and thicken a bit. This should take about 5-7 minutes. Once it's ready, take it off the heat and cover it to keep warm. This will ensure our glaze stays nice and smooth until we're ready to use it. Alright, we're in the home stretch now. During the last 30 minutes of baking, brush your pork loin with the glaze 3 or 4 times. This is going to give it that gorgeous, sweet and tangy finish we're after. The glaze will caramelize beautifully, creating a sticky, flavorful crust. Once it's done, pour any remaining glaze over the roast. This final touch ensures every slice is packed with that sweet and tangy goodness. And there you have it, a mouth-watering herb-roasted pork loin, perfect for any dinner table. Serve it up, and watch your guests' faces light up. This dish is not just a meal, it's an experience. The combination of herbs and the sweet, tangy glaze makes it a standout dish that will have everyone asking for seconds. Serve it with your favorite sides, maybe some roasted vegetables or a fresh salad, and you've got a feast fit for a king. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends at Star Flavor King. Your support helps us bring more delicious recipes to your kitchen. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Until next time, keep experimenting and enjoying the wonderful world of flavors.